We are pleased to show you the 2016 MDX. The Acura MDX is a wonderful choice if you're looking for a mid-size luxury crossover SUV. Thanks to its high safety scores, a strong engine, all-around utility, and capable handling, this vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, stability control, cruise control, voice-activated navigation system, child safety locks, trip computer, clock, power brakes, audio, internet radio, Pandora, compass. Come see the car for yourself.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.